what it does really is it takes the input into the AI and structures it in a way that whatever AI platform you're using it will be able to make the appropriate determinations of where that data resides and so forth. So it really works well with any AI platform, and it shows the type of technical skill and coding capabilities that Volato brings to the table.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Alberto Rosende. He is the CEO of M2i Global. And Alberto, good to see you again. How are you?
Very busy and very good, but thanks. Always a pleasure to see you, Steve.
Yeah, I know you're in the middle of the acquisition that you made with Volato, and work's still ongoing before that's completed. But Volato did have some news out. Thought it'd be very timely to get you on to talk about it. The launch of Parslee, and it's an AI platform, and it really fits in nicely with what you're doing. So let's take a step back and talk about Parslee and what it is.
Right. Parslee really is a precursor to the use of AI. What they've done is they were developing an internal platform to facilitate the multiple filings and documents that they need to present because of the very highly regulated field that they're in, aviation. And so they were looking to streamline opportunities and create a more efficient organization. They also saw that the use of AI at times led to some what he calls hallucinations, where it makes some assumptions and moves things forward. And when you're talking about legal documents and presentation of filings to the SEC and other federal regulatory bodies, you want to make sure that that it's completely accurate and that it's all based in fact and truth. And so what they did is they developed this platform that basically structures the input into AI, which eliminates those hallucinations, and it allows all of the documents to be completely based in fact and data. It allows it to be completely auditable, and it allows it to stretch back so that it's completely provenance focused. So everything that's an output of the AI model that is parsed through Parslee and structured through Parslee is completely auditable and demonstrates provenance of all data, which is extremely key to the work that we're doing in critical minerals and our tracking and tracing platform.
I was just going to ask you about that because that really fits in nicely with what M2i Global's main mission is to try to create that supply chain, the being able to track that and most importantly, being able to audit those particular documents is important.
Absolutely. Not only on the document side, but also as we extend out into the technological platform that will permit us to track and trace critical minerals that come into the supply chain, flow through to industry through us, or flow through to the strategic mineral reserve, need to be fact-based and data-based to be able to determine the provenance of that minerals all the way through the chain of custody and forward. And so there's a lot of synergy built here through the platform that they've just brought out to the market.
And I guess the other part of this is it really works well with everything that's out there already in OpenAI and Claude and Gemini and Grok. Everything is working seamlessly with Parslee, which allows you to sort of save time as you move forward.
Absolutely, because what it does really is it takes the input into the AI and structures it in a way that whatever AI platform you're using it will be able to make the appropriate determinations of where that data resides and so forth. So it really works well with any AI platform, and it shows the type of technical skill and coding capabilities that Volato brings to the table. So we're really excited about this launch, and we're really excited about what we'll be able to bring together as we get this merger approved and move
Yeah.
forward.
I know it's busy. You're cooking with Parslee, literally. Uh,
Absolutely.
Alberto, thank you so much. Great to see you again, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you, Steve. Always a pleasure. Take care. Be well.
You as well. Alberto Rosende, the CEO of M2i Global.